A very good morning to all of my lovely students who are very enthusiastic to learn about the importance of the linguistics and linguist. So today we are going to start the linguistics and linguist. So the question is, what is the importance of linguistics and difference between language and linguistics? Basically, students, language is a tool and linguistics is analysis of language. And for that purpose, we use, which is called the linguist. He uses analytical tool to examine language. So language becomes a tool. Why we call it tool? Because thoughts are in our mind, but we transfer these thoughts through our mouth by using the lung, jaws, nasal activities, through the sound into the mind of the other person. So language becomes a tool of inculcating our ideas into the mind of the other person. So mouth into the other's mind. The whole process of communication which starts from encoder, decoder. Encode is the message which is transferred from encoder to decoder. So linguistics is to language what in mechanics is to manuals is to a mechanics manual is to a car. If you look at this word which is written over here, that is the hopelessly. So if I want to split up this word, I can say hope, then less, and at last lee. Can I write this word in this way? Hope, lee, less. No, definitely not. It means basically sentence makes a sense through the proper arrangement of the words, just like the beads in a string. So it means that linguists and linguistics go beyond the word, more up and down than the word. It adds up more things than many other problems which are facing in the language or in the linguistics. So linguistics appear at that time to resolve those issues. For example, if I say he is hopelessly lost, he is probably lost. So probably or hopelessly, linguist has least concern with this word or with the choice of the words. Linguist has only one intention, and that is to take out the sense of that word. So the bits and the pieces which combine together to make the words, they attract the linguist, and he finds out that either these bits and pieces which are combined together have proper formation of the language or not. For example, you line up 10 people from 1 till 10. You line up these 10 people. All of these people would be having different face structure, physical appearance, their dressing, everything would be different. But if you take the x-rays of these 10 people and you arrange these x-rays in a line and then you look at them, you will be having look at the skeleton of all these people. So here are the linguists who look at the skeleton of the words, not on the physical or the apparent appearance of the words. Language is the apparent appearance. Literature is the apparent appearance of the word. But skeleton is concerned for the linguists only. So there is another problem in language, and that is there are very muddled up words. For example, take two words. One is night, other is Knight. Both have altogether different meanings, but have different spellings. But we pronounce it in the different way, in the same way. So here comes the problem which linguists appear to resolve the issue. They developed the sound system, and on the basis of these sound system, basically they try to find out the solution of these problems. And this system is called as IPA, which is the International Phonetics Alphabet. IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. Linguistics has different branches which includes phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and then at the end comes pragmatics, which involves the all of the sentence structure and the meaning of the word. But this would be the part of our next lecture, which would be delivered in the next class. Have a nice day. God bless you all.